Let's do this. Let's make a simple hanging herb garden for your yard or patio this spring. It's quick, easy, and a great way to add lots of flavor to your springtime recipes. So, let's do this. Here's a quick shot of what you're going to need. All available, of course, at your nearest Home Depot. Materials include a 6-foot 1x6 board, 8 4-inch terracotta pots, 16 feet of 1/4-inch rope, 2 screw-in J-hooks, paint or stain, and finally, some potting soil and 8 assorted herbs. For tools, you'll need a circular or miter saw, a good drill along with a 5/16 drill bit, a 4-inch hole saw, and safety glasses. A tape measure will come in handy, along with a pencil and a paintbrush. Mark and carefully cut the 1x6 into 2 31-inch pieces, using a miter or circular saw. Next, draw a line straight down the center of one of the boards. It should be about 2 3/4 inches from the edge. Make a mark on the line 5 inches from the end of the board, then at 12 inches, 19 inches, and 26 inches. Using the 4 marks you made on each board, drill 4 4-inch holes in each board. Make sure to work off the edge of your work surface to avoid damaging it. Clamp the board down tightly to the workbench. Now, measure in 1 inch from each corner edge and side. Use these marks to drill 4 5/16-inch holes in each board. Now's the time to paint or stain your boards if you like. Be sure and give them plenty of time to dry. Cut the 16-foot rope in half. Run each one down, under, and up each end of the bottom board, making sure to keep the board exactly centered. Measure and make a mark 12 to 14 inches up each side of the ropes and tie a knot. Now you can slide the top board down the ropes to rest on the knots and tie the ends together. Find a suitable spot for your garden and hang it using the screw-in J-hooks. Set them 29 inches apart into a good, solid beam or overhang. Fill the pots with potting soil and your choice of herbs or veggies. Then pop them into the holes and you're done. For even more hands-on help on this and other projects, go to homedepot.com/workshops and sign up for a free in-store workshop near you. Now you know how. See you next time.